Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove grid lines in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing grid lines in Tableau can significantly enhance the clarity and presentation of your visualizations because grid lines can sometimes create visual noise that interferes with readability. So I believe that removing them can make the data easier to read and interpret. Now, what I'm going to do is to create a new sheet and let's start to work from here. Now, I'm going to rename this one as something like removing grid lines. I'm making it like Arial black, bold, and a little bit like maybe 26, and the color could be around here. Click on apply, click on OK. So I'm going to the maybe profit. There we go, and drag and drop the profit into the rows. After that, I'm gonna look for the date. Press enter. Just like that. All right, and then now grid lines are these lines that you can see, and if you remove them, it can help create a cleaner and more focused visualization by eliminating, of course, the distraction. Now here, all I'm gonna do is right click on format, and then you see there's going to be an option that says these lines. Okay, so you can select the none for 0 lines, click on none. Matter of fact, you know what, just click on none as well for everything here. All right, so after that, you see that should do it. Now, of course, you need to switch to the rows. Grid lines is none. You see, it disappeared, right? And for the columns, none as well. Now, not only that, you can also go to the bar chart. For example, if it does have any grid lines like this, it's very thick, you might want to do that as well. Remove that if you wanted. It's also applicable to line, area, square, circle, shape. There's a lot that you can work with. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.